A solar eclipse occurs when the moon runs between the sun and the Earth, casting a shadow on the Earth that blocks the sunlight completely or partially in some areas. This only happens occasionally, as the moon does not creep up at the same level as the sun and the Earth. The time they are all set is known as the solar eclipse season, which takes place twice a year. The Earth is pulled twice at the closest possible distance from the moon, about 363,000 kilometers or 405,000 kilometers. The cross marks the maximum range of the lunar umbrella, the longest distance from the moon, allowing a total solar eclipse at 373,000 kilometers. When the Earth and the moon are closest, the rain shadows are circled on the surface of the Earth, 170 miles in diameter, where a total solar eclipse is seen. However, when the Earth is the farthest from the moon, the planet falls past the furthest boundary of the moon's rain shadow, and the moon is too small to completely cover the sun's disk. This leads to the possibility of a ring-shaped solar eclipse, in which a perfect solar ring forms around the moon. The partial solar eclipse route through North America on March 29, 2025 shows the sunrise line and the maximum solar eclipse points. Africa and Russia are exposed to this solar eclipse, but rarely. In Africa, solar eclipses can be seen in Morocco, Western Sahara, Tunisia, Algeria, Mauritania, Mali, Senegal, Gambia, and Guinea-Bissau. El Jadida, the northwest coast of the Morocco continent, especially the perfect place to see events, and southwest of Casablanca, saw the majority of African solar eclipses at 18%. Tangier will show 17% and 14% Fez. In the northern hemisphere, up to 92% of the solar disk from the moon is placed in the shade, but no solar eclipse is seen anywhere on Earth. This is because nowhere on Earth can see perfect alignment between the sun and moon in the sky. The solar eclipse occurs when the sun, the moon, and the Earth are aligned in a straight line, allowing the moon to run between us, the sun, and its light blocks. Every time the moon creeps up the Earth, it comes near the sun in the sky while it comes to the new moon. If the moon circumcises the Earth and is surrounded by the exact same level as the Earth circles the sun, it goes to the sun with a new moon every month. In fact, the orbit of the moon appears around the sun at an angle of 5 degrees compared to Earth's orbit. This means that the alignment between the moon and the sun is usually not accurate in the new moon. The moon usually goes several times to the side of the sun. This year's second solar eclipse will take place on September 21, 2025, and will be seen by the southern hemispheres in Australia, the Antarctic, the Pacific, and parts of the Atlantic Ocean.